National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Central 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:03 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles west of Hudson, moving northwest at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Hillsdale, Jonesville, Pittsford, North Adams, Shadyside, and Oakdale. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties: Hillsdale, Michigan. Now here is your local forecast. Through early evening, are not available for the
Set this one on channel 1.
sunny with a temperature miles per hour.
I don't think I'm gonna get anything over here.
Degrees. Wednesday, partly sunny with scattered showers and a chance of thunderstorms. Highs in the low 80s.
Uh-oh. SVR. They're on. Why are they all on display?
The National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a severe thunderstorm
Why are they
warning
all on
for
display?
northwestern St. Joseph County in southwestern Michigan until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
That's unfortunate.
6:05 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. A severe thunderstorm was located near Three Rivers, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Hazard, source, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Damage to vehicles is expected. Radar indicated. Expect wind damage to
This is
impact.
two EASs.
Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include expect wind damage to roofs, Centerville, siding, and trees. Moore Park, Fishers Lake, and Hounsville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Fishers Lake, torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm. A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties: St. Joseph, Michigan. Conditions around the
That
area
was
at 5
completely
p.m.
unexpected.